Hello there, welcome. We're at 2807 Steiner. This is apartment number 8. We'll go ahead and take our little walk through here. Nice big light-filled living room. Lots of space. Some amazing detailing on the floor here with the woodwork. And then we've got this absolutely beautiful chandelier as well. Nice views out the side here. This is looking up into San Francisco. As we walk on through into the kitchen here, you get amazing views over the bay. So we've got Alcatraz Island just out the front. Views on over into the North Bay. Beautiful, beautiful views. And then we'll get our look at the kitchen. Nice big gas stove, dishwasher, built-in microwave, lots of cabinet space in here. We've got our washer dryer here tucked away. And then we'll walk on through into the bedroom. We've got a long hall, so it's just tucked away. Lots of light in here as well, big amount of space. If you peek out the window, you can just get a glance of the Golden Gate Bridge. Closet space with mirrored doors, which always help make the room look a little bit bigger. And then we get to pop on into the bathroom. Nice big stand-up shower, new tile, single sink, toilet, and again, views out the window there to Golden Gate Bridge. You can just see the tip of Marin headlands. So we'll just walk back through and get our last look into the living room. From our last look, it's just really nice in here. And then we'll step into the kitchen because it's such a gorgeous view. And as you can tell, there's a lot of space in here. So you can put in a nice big island probably. You could fit in like a half round table, full round table, lots of space. So hopefully you come and visit us soon. Come and take a peek. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.